back to my channel. Today we are going to play with this new palette from Alter Ego. This palette is Aurora. It is $16. It is duping the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, I believe. They like duping Natasha Denona, let me tell you. So this is what they I feel like I'm talking with a weird accent today that I don't know where it came from. This is what the Natasha Denona one looks like. I do not own it. I've never been able to really justify personally spending that much on a palette, especially lately. You guys know that I operate on a budget. I did peek at this palette. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I think we're gonna do a pink look today. It's been a minute since I've done a pink look. It does have a mirror, which is always a plus when a palette has a mirror. So I think we're gonna use the pinks today. I might add a little glitter outside of this palette. I don't know, I kind of have a vision in my head of the look I want to create. Sometimes I just look at palettes and sometimes they just inspire me, and this one inspires me, so I'm excited to play with it. We're also gonna look at all of their new lashes. I have used them in a recent tutorial as well, and I absolutely love them so far. So excited to use more of them. They're all so fluffy. Yes, their lashes are on the website now. $5, $5. Almost all of them have a clear band. So if you like a clear band, and a lot of these are a little bit more, I feel like these are a nice middle point where like the Shop Miss A foaming lashes that I wear all the time are like super dramatic. And then like their dollar ones are not dramatic enough for me. These are like a nice in between and definitely worth the $5 price point. So I'm really excited about these. We'll try some out in this video and I'll show you every pair and tell you about them in a little bit. Now that we have this long-winded intro over, let's go ahead and jump into this tutorial for the eye look that you saw at the beginning of this video. If you enjoy affordable makeup videos, give this video a thumbs up. Share it if you could. It does help me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. If you are a subscriber, hit that notification bell. Also, I know, per usual, it's been really difficult to get my videos out to people. I get so many messages that my videos are like not making it through the algorithm. I know we do a lot of weird things, a lot of different things on this channel. So just check my channel every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, maybe more, but definitely every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We have videos, and then I've been trying to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays whenever I can, usually Thursdays. I'm rambling. I need to get into this video. I'm so sorry, guys. It's one of those days. Anyway, let's just jump in. Let's just jump in. If you want to see the look at the beginning of this video, you're in the right place. Just keep watching. All right, so I already have my base on, but then I have the Revolution well-loved Mega Bronzer in Cool to bronze and contour my face. And then I did use a different blush today because Ravish isn't in my makeup bag. It must be upstairs. So I used the Amour Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. And I just fixed all of them. And I'm feeling it. It's nice. It's not as glowy as my normal blush, but there is a little bit of glow, and I appreciate that. We're gonna start with Star, which is this peachy shade right here. And I'm just gonna put that in the crease. I really enjoy Alter Ego's eyeshadows. They're blending really nicely. Okay, we're gonna take that same peachy shade on the lower lash line. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and go in with Nova, this hot pink, which I think is going to be like the star of the show for this look. I'm going to take that above the crease, so I'm blending like the crease and up. I'm just focusing this on the outer corner and then softly blending it in. Might actually go back with my bigger blender brush, if I can speak. So I want it to blend out into softness, but I also want it to be really bold. I really like these Shop Miss A brushes. This is the E126. It comes in a whole set of pink brushes. Going back with a little bit of that peach shade that we started with Star and just buffing the edges of that. I'm gonna take this little brush. It's the Dominique Cosmetics, the Packer, and I'm actually gonna pack that same pink shade on with it. It works so well when you want it to be super intense. I named this brush appropriately. I think I'm gonna try taking a little bit of Twilight, this really darker shade in here, and see how that, just on the outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna take this pencil from NYX. It's one of their Off Tropic liners in Happy Hour. It's hot, hot, hot pink. And I'm going to run that all along my lower lash line in Waterline. I'm gonna take that same hot pink and buff this out. The Nova shade, the like main star of the show. This is Nova. It's always hard to get this filmed because I have to look down to get into my waterline. I think I want to try Dawn on. I should do a cut crease. I should put something sticky down because I really do want this to be a bold lid. I'm gonna take the Revolution cut crease canvas and illustrate. I'm gonna go ahead and pack on Dawn, this one right here, with my fingertip. I'm gonna go back once more with that peachy star shade, buff the right underneath this pink. Oh, there's nothing like a brand new powder. This is the Physicians Formula Mineral Effect Powder Translucent. Absolute favorite. I'm just gonna re-brighten my under eyes. I just want to re-brighten this, and it kind of cleans up my edges. I'm gonna take that same face powder to use as my brow bone highlight. I really want like glitter. I want glitter, I want glitter, I want glitter. What can I use? Okay, I have these two options that I'm thinking. And this one, while is more close to what I'm thinking, hi thanks. I know that because of the layers I have, I don't want to layer on more glitter glue and stuff like that to not get fallout with this guy. I mean, I could do both. I know these are not recommended for the eye area, but I've used them on the eye area multiple times and never had a personal issue. Definitely you do you, I'm gonna do me. But definitely use these with, you know, caution around your eyes. This is the Glitterly Obsessed from Colourpop and Avenue of Stars. Look at her. Oh, she's beautiful. Put this one down because it's got a little bit of a sticky base, and that way I'm kind of don't have to really use glitter glue. And mix a tiny bit of this Revolution Pro pink glitter, the baby pink one. I'm literally using one on one finger, one on the other. So Colourpop Revolution. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a wing because it's how I live. I love a wing. You definitely don't need a wing with this, but I want a wing. So I'm gonna use my Physicians Formula Eyebooster Pen in Ultra Black. And then I'm also gonna take a little bit of the Ultra liner in Onyx just on the outer corner. I feel like this is the liner that just keeps on giving. It like never goes away. And I just want to put it out here. I really like the hot pink on the waterline, but I just feel like when my eyes are more circumference with the black, it just feels better to me. So I'm just putting a little bit out here and a little bit out here. Okay, let me pick some lashes. I think I need to go with these. These are the Amour lashes. Amour. I'm going to show all of them to you, but I think that this is the one that I want to use. And then we have the Celeb, which look really pretty. All of these look like multidimensional and fluffy. These ones look a little more natural. These are Posh. Much more natural too. They're little shorties. These are Royal. Oh, these are so pretty. These are Craze. Oh my goodness, those look beautiful too though. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I love those. These are Hipster. Oh, those look gorgeous. Plush. Guys, I've actually tried. You can tell there's some mascara on them and stuff. Just because I had a really bold eye look on it. I wanted a little extra, so these are Flare. My babies are crazy back there. Flare. I love, 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 love these. So my favorites, I would say Flare. And I feel like all of these little ones are beautiful. They're just too small for what I like. I like an in-between or like a dramatic lash. Definitely love Craze. Oh, they're so pretty. Celeb. Also a win. And then of course, Amour, which I think we're gonna go with today because I'm really excited to try those. But again, I tried these and I loved them in Flare. Definitely recommend. So I'm gonna go ahead and go pop these lashes on and I'll be right back. All right, I have the lashes on. I probably need to redo my liner in a minute, but I'm just gonna let my glue dry and everything. I absolutely love these. They fit my eye perfectly. I didn't have to trim them at all. That's always such a win for me when I don't have to trim the length of the band, because I really don't have that big of eyes. So more often than not, I have to trim them. But when I find pairs that I don't have to, it's always like, oh, then I don't have to carry scissors around. I can travel with them. I can just not have to worry about it. We are going to highlight really quick because I think I'm going to use one of these on my inner corner because I'm not sure. I feel like any of the shades in this palette are going to be too dark for my skin tone. Maybe Brilliance, but anything that's not like a really bright white looks darker in my inner corner because I am so fair. I love Jaclyn. If you don't love Jaclyn, you don't want to support her, it's you do you completely. But she's honestly a big reason why I have a channel. She was the first YouTuber that I completely fell in love with. I started watching her at like 8,000 subscribers. So plus I live for highlights, and that girl could do a highlight. Any highlight she's ever told me to buy, I've loved. So I was really excited to try these out. I did purchase these myself. So I have the Flash palette and then we're gonna use them both. This is Extra, little powder highlight. I'm so excited. I haven't put these on my face. I've only swatched them, but beautiful. You do you, I do me. Let's just be a happy family, okay? Don't like how I'm getting fingerprints all over it. Not like this is a review of this at all. I'm excited to use it. This is what the inside looks like. It's got a mirror and it's got all 4 of these shades. I think I'm going to mix Gleam and Ice, which are the top 2, the lightest 2. I love highlighter, guys. Please don't let me down. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. I'm not surprised. Okay, you gotta admit, that's pretty. And that's just like a subtle, I know this one can definitely be amped up. I don't want to amp it up too much because I do want to put a little bit extra on, but oh my god, okay, that's really pretty. Oh, I love a highlighter. Oh, I love a highlighter. Oh, I just feel so much more myself once I've got my glow on. Once my glow is on, she has arrived. I think we'll put Extra on the inner corner. Okay, this is really pretty. It's a nice like in between. And I know that this one is designed so you can like build it up or just do a subtle glow. You guys know I live for like a bold. We'll put a little bit more of Gleam on right up here. I like to see. And I bet if I applied it wet, it would be even more intense. I do see the kind of wet look that she was talking about and that people have been talking about. I feel like I need more blush. Oh, that's so, look at that. Oh, she's pretty. I'm gonna take a little bit of Gleam and put it just under my brow bone. Right up here. I've been liking this lately, which I never, again, I say this all the time now. I'm like, never used to do this, but sometimes you just decide that you need any extra glow. Oof. That you can have. Let's try this. This is Extra. This is supposed to be like her most intense one. It's one of the loose powder ones. If you guys know me and you've been around, you know that I love a loose highlight and I've been living for them. I think I might apply it wet. Oh. I'm gonna spritz the brush a little bit just because you know me. If you don't know me, we live for a highlight here and we live for being as glowy as we possibly can. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I look like Rudolph. It's fine. We're gonna fix it. It'll be okay. You knew I was gonna go overboard. You just knew it. If you know me. It's my favorite way to like tame it down is by using your damp sponge, and then I go in with my blush brush and kind of buff it. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm just gonna use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Got that in my eye. I love it. I love it. I feel like my cheeks are just glowing. I'm living. It's like if you took my favorite Shop Miss highlighter and like softened it, like the same amount of glow, but like softer. I really want to use the e.l.f. matte liquid lipstick in Tea Rose. It's just like my favorite pinky mauve nude, and I will lighten the center just a little bit. I just love this shade. It is not the most long lasting, so if you get it, definitely carry it with you, but the shade is beautiful. Okay, instead of concealer, I'm just using a little bit of this Wet n Wild gloss in Caught You Bare Naked. It's pretty much the color of concealer, so it works, and it's actually a lip product. I hope you guys are proud. I want a little bit of actual gloss because I don't really love the texture of that gloss. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of Buxom Sandy. Alright, love, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really did enjoy this palette, and this color scheme is one I can see myself reaching for very often. I tried to push myself and not do a bright, like an orangey, warm, smoky eye is what I was like hoping to do. So we went with pink today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really love the new Jaclyn highlighters. Again, you do what you want to do. I'm gonna do what I want to do. And I really like them. And I like being this ridiculous glow monster. So it works for me. All right, I love you guys so much. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share if you could, because it does help me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and more. We do fashion, we do baking, we do makeup, we do hauls, we do all sorts of things, do vlogs, all the things. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I will talk to you guys soon. Hey. It does not want to come out of this box. Colorette brush. Sorry, sometimes I laugh at myself a lot. Living.